My name is Daryl Rugless. Welcome to my Watford site. We are currently at the end of week 11 on site, so let's go and have a look and see what we've done so far. My journey in property started roughly 7 years ago with a boring buy-to-let renovation. Then I progressed to a purchase of a house that we extended by about 110 square meters, turning a 3-bed, 1-bathroom house into a 6-bed, 5-bathroom house. And then at that point in time, I decided that that route was going to be too slow for me, wasn't going to get me where I wanted to go. The property development program gave me all the information that I needed to actually go out and do development. I moved into commercial conversions roughly 2 years ago, and then this is my first commercial conversion project. So this is the ground floor of the front 3-bedroom house, and where I'm currently standing will be the living area. To my left over here will be the hallway that takes you upstairs, and then over here, this area here will be the kitchen. This site is an office conversion. We've got a 3-bed, 3-story house at the front, and then in the middle we've got a 2-bed, 2-story house, and at the back we've got a 1-bed, 1-story house. The GDV on the project, we're hoping for circa 900,000. The project's been flying along. I think we're probably about 5 weeks away from completion. So this is going to be a communal courtyard. We've removed the roof here because this all used to be one flat roof. We are also removing this wall, so we'll be able to access this courtyard directly from the side of the building, and that access at the side of the building into this courtyard is how you access this house at the back. What I've enjoyed most about the program is being able to network and meet other developers who are going on the same journey, and yeah, I think that's important because you get to see what people are doing and gives you confidence to know that you can go out and do the same thing. One of the major things I took from the program was the information they give you about the planning system, permitted development rights. That has helped me because that is what allowed me to take advantage of the opportunity that we're standing at today and for us to actually get a viable project. So I'd say that is one of the major things I took forward. The second thing is just confidence. Like going to the Developers Club and being around Richie and Ian and seeing them have the confidence in me and seeing that other members have the confidence in me made me have the confidence to back myself and push it forward. Two people can look at the same building and see completely different outcomes, and it's the person who sees the most innovative outcome that is going to get the deal and make the money, essentially. So if you want to be creative, then it's a good space for you as well. Development is a business, not a strategy. So if you're going to do it, approach it like a business and make sure that you get all aspects of your business in line to do it. Definitely get educated, but also get out there and talk to people who are actually doing development and get that practical knowledge as well. Because there's many ways to do something and you need to find the one that is currently working in the current market and get on board with it.
To start your property development journey, check out our free training by clicking the link below or visit propertyceo.co.uk/training.